Welcome back to Radical Moon Love. I'm going on an adventure. This is my first kind of solo sail. My friend Tanya is coming, but this is just me and the boat on a long voyage. 4 to 6 hours. Here we go! This is a big milestone. I'm Gia and I've completed something huge. My first Soloish sail. It's July 5th, and I was gently rocked by the sightless sea of Lake Michigan, south near Beach, and anchor, which they say is unreal, and it's just exhilarating to see over patterns of It makes me feel so accomplished. We parted yesterday with my friend Tanya, who doesn't really know how to sail. We sailed the 40 nautical miles. Upwind and downwind to Soloish. I am so proud of myself. Making the decision so we take the morning nice and slow as a rebel in this big My partner Elaine is working a 7-week yacht gig in Canada, so here I home
drop you off for sure.
My best friend Liz is at the end of the 40 nautical mile sail, and I'm so happy to see her. It's really exciting to try out this rhythm as we plan to live like this for a few years as we take our boat from Chicago It's my first time rowing away from the boat. The waves are 2 feet high, and I've not really rowed this dinghy against tall waves and 12-knot winds, and as the boat gets farther and farther away, I am both excited and terrified.
So shallow now.
So about 45 minutes later, I make it. I keep stopping to take videos, which pushes me farther away,
Sideways.
but also realizing I did it. I did the hard thing. I think I had food poisoning yesterday, so I sailed under food poisoning, and the wind was exactly where we needed to come from, but we made it. We motored the last 2.5 hours. Mr. Perkins kept when he was in neutral while you're anchoring, which is not cute, so we need to get that fixed. And then I have a list of better winches and nets for picking up trash and lots of other little things. And like solar power is going to be so important. While we're at the dock, it really doesn't matter, but being out on the hook trying to conserve power, not having a way to bring the power back in is really hard. So it's exciting to get this off-grid lifestyle, conserve, where we can, and figure out the ways to make it better. And now I'm gonna take a really crazy gauntlet through some really hot sand, that I think I already burned my feet on. Wow, look at all those fireworks. Damn. Okay, bye. We spend a few hours ashore with our friends at their place, and my friend Kent, who gave us the boat, comes and meets us. So Liz swims out, Tanya and Kent paddleboard, and I row us back ashore with bags. We get to hang for a while, so we're on the boat, hanging out, just being mermaids. And it feels so good to share this boat life and this freedom with my friends. And to just revel and feel so good and feel so affirmed and satisfied with our work. I painted the lavender stripe and the bottom paint, and at the same time left out those marks. As we drive back towards shore, so Liz doesn't have so far to swim. At 10 feet, she jumps off and swims in. Bye, Liz. And then we're off. The wind is perfect, around 15 knots south-southwest, and we get to sail at a broad reach all the way home.
with Kent aboard, I get a few minutes to go up on deck and just enjoy the sunshine and this beautiful, beautiful point of sail that's just carrying us through with huge waves cutting through the water. And I'm reminded how much in love I am with the water. This trip's helped me feel confident in my sailing skills and sail planning and anchoring out and feeling comfortable enough to sleep. As well as learning a lot about where and how to anchor and how to direct a friend who knows nothing about boating and sailing, pretty much. So it has been a very affirming trip, and I am so grateful for the opportunity to live this life and to change my whole life to live this lifestyle. That rebel flag is from your grandma.
There we go.
Within a town.
I could sit for hours and watch the spray. Thanks for watching. So make it home in 3 hours and take anyone for the left job back to the sailor. Listen to yacht rock and sing-alongs and feel so satisfied. Thanks for watching, as ever, and I thank you for the support and love throughout this journey. Follow us, follow the journey, and you can support us by liking and commenting and following and sharing.